Hi friends, this is Tong. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to show you two versions of this amazing infinity box project. You might have seen the shorts. This one is for my Mother's Day project. They both start exactly the same, but depending on how you decorate, you can create very different feelings. So the first one is simpler, sweeter version. It's perfect for something personal and heartfelt, like a Mother's Day gift. Now, here's the second version. It's a more detailed, fancy take on the same structure. Each layer reveals a super cute pop-up element. I really like how this little fairy pops up. So the basic build is exactly the same, except that at the very end, I connected it to a special, not sure how to call it, a 9 square grid cube that kind of opens up like an explosion box. So this gives you even more space for decorating. You can add little keepsakes, tuck in small gifts, attach tags, photos, messages. There are just tons of possibility to make it your own. So for the upcoming full tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make the final 9 grid version because it actually includes everything you need to create this simple, heartfelt version, and it gives you the option for bonus extras if you want to go even further. If you're interested in building one of these yourself, stay tuned. The full step-by-step tutorial will be coming very soon. See you in the next one.